Hi viewers, in this class we are going to discuss the transgenic sheep, production of transgenic sheep. Under this topic we will see the transgene, transgenesis, transgenic sheep, genes for transgenesis to produce the transgenic sheep, process of production of transgenic sheep and different examples of the transgenes. As we know, the transgenic animals are the animals with modified genome. A foreign gene is inserted into the genome of the animal to alter its DNA. This is done to improve the genetic traits of the target animal. Transgenesis is the phenomena in which a foreign gene with desired characteristics is introduced into the genome of the target animal. The foreign gene that is introduced is known as the transgene, and the animal whose genome is altered is known as the transgenic. These transgenes are passed on to the successive generations. The transgenic animals are genetically engineered and are also known as the genetically modified organisms. The first genetically modified organism was engineered in the year 1980s. One of the first reports of transgenic animals published in December 1982 involved transfer of growth hormone gene fused to the promoter for the mouse metallothionein 1 MT, metallothionein 1 MT gene. Since then, many transgenic animals, including those in cattle, sheep, goats, pigs, rabbits, have been produced and will be utilized in future for variety of purposes, including their efficiency in utilizing feed, ability to give leaner meat, their ability to grow marketable size sooner, and their resistance to certain diseases. More than this, recently efforts are being made to use transgenic animals as living bioreactors. Transgenic animals produced for this purpose will secrete valuable recombinant proteins and pharmaceuticals into their milk, blood, and urine, which can be used for extraction of these drugs. This new possibility of manufacturing drugs through transgenic animals is often described as the molecular farming or molecular farming. Although initially many experiments leading to the production of transgenic animals did not give commercially attractive results, success has been obtained in some recent cases. The foreign introduced genes are referred to as the transgenes, and the animals that contain the foreign gene are called as the transgenic animals. Transgenic animals not only useful for study the expression but also for control of foreign eukaryotic genes. In the case of mammals, transfected ova or embryos must be transferred into surrogate mother. Synchronization of females used for the superovulation and as surrogate mother by hormone administration. In vitro fertilization and culture of transfected ova or young embryos, transfer of the embryos into surrogate mothers, and completion of embryo development in them. There are different techniques may be followed to produce the transgenic sheep. The rate of transgenesis in sheep is very low, which is of about 0.1% to 0.2%. This can be improved if only transgenic viable embryos, after necessary checking, are transferred to surrogatives, that is the female sheep. Embryos at 8 to 16 cell stage can be split into two parts, one for the continued culture and the other for the detection of integrated genes using polymerase chain reaction (PCR). Although microinjection is the most common method for DNA delivery, gene targeting may be increasingly used in future. In this approach, embryonic stem cells in culture are transferred with a vector which targets the gene to a particular site by homologous recombination. This technique has yet to be applied to sheep where embryonic stem cells will have to be isolated first. The first reports of transgenic sheep were published by J.P. Simons in 1988 of Edinburgh. Two transgenic Eves were produced, each carrying of about 10 copies of human anti-hemophilic factor. Human anti-hemophilic factor Roman number 9 gene, that is in the form of cDNA, fused with the 10.5 kb BLG gene, that is the beta lactoglobulin gene. BLG gene was used because it is necessary for specific expression of gene in mammary glands. Consequently, the gene had a tissue specific expression and Eves secreted human factor 9, that is alpha 1 antitrypsin, into their milk. This human factor 9 is active even though the expression of transgene is low. The transgenic Eves were born in early summer of 1986 and were successfully mated same year in December. In 1987, each Eve gave birth to a single lamb. Each lamb inherited BLG, beta lactoglobular gene, that is factor 9 transgene, and secrete factor 9 in the milk. This program of the production of the transgenic animals by J.P. Simons at the Edinburgh was funded by Pharmaceutical Proteins Limited due to its commercial appeal. And there were the cloned sheep. Dolly was the first transgenic sheep produced in 5th July 1996. The udder cells of sheep, they are extracted from one sheep, starved for 5 days, ovum from the other sheep, that is enucleated, and now nucleus from the udder cell, it is mixed up with the enucleated ovum, and thereby it becomes like a fertilized embryo, like the zygote equal to the zygote, and we will stimulate the divisions, cleavages by a mild electric shock. So the resulting embryo transfer to a foster mother or surrogate mother, and that undergoes implantation and give birth to the cloned sheep. And here we have just discussed the gene of our interest, that is beta lactoglobulin promoter, and DNA is injected into the pronucleus, and this is a sheep ovum, and implanted to the foster mother, and this is a transgenic progeny, otherwise a transgenic sheep. The gene is identified by the PCR. The beta lactoglobulin gene is activated only in the mammary tissue, so that is the gene of our interest is expressed only here. Then obtain milk from the transgenic animals. Product of gene of interest is secreted into milk and fractionate the milk protein, purify the product of our gene of interest. Then Polly and Molly, they were born in 1997. They are cloned by the adult somatic cell nuclear transfer method, and here fibroblast cells are used. The transgene that expresses human clotting factor 9, factor number 9 protein. Factor 9 assists in blood clotting and used to treat the patients with the hemophilia B. And here John Clark and his team produced transgenic sheep expressing the human blood clot factor 9 needed by many patients with hemophilia. They place factor 9 gene under the control of a piece of sheep DNA that turns on beta lactoglobulin gene in the mammary tissue. Sheep secreted factor 9 into their milk. Here embryo created by the in vitro fertilization, DNA gene for drug plus mammary uh, directing signal injected into the fertilized embryo implanted into surrogate mother, and transgenic offspring produce drug in its milk or the factor 9 in its milk. Here this is the another example, that is antithrombin gene from the man that is injected into the embryo zygote, sheep zygote, and this is a transgenic sheep, and the antithrombin is expressed in the milk. These are the Polly and Molly. There is a sperm mediated gene transfer method where the method is first reported in 1989 based on the ability of sperm cells to internalize foreign DNA and transfer to egg cells. They utilize the natural vector like the sperm, binding of exogenous DNA to sperm head at subacrosomal region. DNA sperm interaction takes place and the internalization of the gene takes place, and there are certain limitations. And coming to the another report, in another report published in 1991, also from the Edinburgh University, Edinburgh, 5 transgenic sheep were produced. The group is Alan Coleman and his colleagues. In all these cases, transgene involved fusion of the ovine beta lactoglobulin gene promoter fused to the human alpha 1 antitrypsin gene. Human alpha 1 AAT means alpha 1 antitrypsin gene. 4 of these animals were female and 1 is male. In one female, the protein human alpha 1 antitrypsin reached a level of 35 grams per liter of milk. The protein purified from milk had a biological activity indistinguishable from the human plasma derived antitrypsin. The deficiency for human alpha 1 antitrypsin leads to a lethal disease which is known as the emphysema, which is a common hereditary disorder among Caucasian males of European descent. Therefore, any strategy giving high yield of the protein economically will be most welcome. In view of this, transgenic sheep with human alpha 1 antitrypsin gene will prove very useful as the bioreactor. See here, genetically engineered sheep with the human gene for the alpha 1 antitrypsin. AAT is extracted from their milk and used to treat humans deficient in alpha 1 antitrypsin, which is one cause of emphysema, a breathing disorder in approximately 1 lakh people in the Western world. So in 1997, Tracy the sheep, the first transgenic animal to produce a recombinant protein drug in her milk, alpha 1 antitrypsin treatment for emphysema and cystic fibrosis. Until recently, the transgenes introduced into sheep inserted randomly in the genome and often worked poorly. However, in July 2000, success at inserting a gene into a specific gene locus was reported. The gene was the human gene for alpha 1 antitrypsin, and 2 of the animals expressed large quantities of the human protein in their milk. Alpha 1 antitrypsin is produced in milk used to cure emphysema, a lung disease in man, and transgenic sheep are made to produce CFTR, that is a cystic fibrosis. And recombinant DNA technique can also be used to increase the ability of sheep for wool growth. For this purpose, genes essential for synthesis of some important amino acids found in keratin protein of wool have been cloned and introduced in embryos to produce transgenic sheep. For instance, the genes cis-E and cis-M, they represent for two enzymes, cis-E for serine acetyl transferase SAT and cis-M for O-acetyl serine sulfide drylase, that is the OAS. Involves they both of them involved in the cysteine biosynthesis. They were isolated from the bacteria and cloned in a vector. These genes were introduced in sheep cells, ultimately leading to the production of transgenic sheep where the genes are expressed. And also, the growth hormone genes have also been introduced to promote body weight. Other genes involved in wool production have also been cloned and will be used for the transgenesis, thus increasing the potential of wool production through the genetic engineering mechanism. This is all about the production of the transgenic sheep for various purposes. Thank you one and all.